This is the sixth part of chapter 9, that is ratio and proportion, and in this part we are solving exercise 9b. We'll start from question number 4. So question number 4, find the fourth proportional to part 1, 2.8, 14 and 3.5. So let us assume that the fourth proportional is A. So we can write this as 2.8 is to 14, proportionate sign, 3.5 is to A. So there is another formula which we can use, that is product of the extremes, that is multiplication of this end numbers, okay, and product of the means, that is multiplication of the numbers which are at the center. So let us first take product of the extremes is equals to 2.8 into A, and product of the means equals to 14 into 3.5. So we know that product of the extremes is equals to product of the means. So 2.8 into A is equal to 14 into 3.5. So A equals to, we'll bring this 2.8 to the other side. So 14 into 3.5 divided by 2.8, which is equal to 35 by 2. Now we can convert it into mixed fraction form, or we can convert it as a decimal. So that is equal to 17.5. Next, part 3. 1 5 by 7 is to 2 3 by 14. That is, it's comma, and 3 3 by 5. Let the fourth proportional be A. So we have to first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1 5 by 7. So 7 1 is 7 plus 5, 12 by 7. So 12 by 7 is 2. 14 2 is 8. 42 is 28 plus 3 31. So 31 by 14. Proportionate sign. 3 3 by 5. So 5 3 is 15 plus 3, that is 18 by 5 is to A. Now here the product of the extremes will be 12 by 7 and A. So product of the extremes is equals to 12 by 7 multiplied by A, and product of the means is equals to 31 by 14 into 18 by 5. And we know that product of the extremes equals to product of the means. So 12 by 7 into A is equals to 31 by 14 into 18 by 5. So to find the value of A, we'll keep the A on the left hand side and take this 12 by 7 to the other side. So it will become divided by 12 by 7. So 31 by 14 into 18 by 5, and the division sign will be converted into multiplication sign, and the number will get reciprocal. So reciprocal of 12 by 7 is 7 by 12. So on further solving this, we will get the answer as 93 by 20. So we can write this as a mixed fraction form because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we can convert this into mixed fraction, which is equal to 4 13 by 20. Moving on to the next question, question number 5. Find the third proportional to. So here two numbers are given. We'll assume that the third proportional is A. So then 12 is to 16, proportionate sign, 16 is to A. Now see, in proportion we need 4 numbers, okay, otherwise it won't be a continuous series. So in this case the second number is repeated, okay, it's repeated twice. So then 12 is to 16, proportionate sign, 16 is to A. So here product of the extremes is equals to 12 into A, and product of the means is 16 into 16. So on solving this, as we know the formula, which is product of the extremes equals to product of the means. So 12 into A is equal to 16 into 16. So A equals to 16 into 16 divided by 12. On solving this, we will get 64 by 3, which is equal to, so again 64, the numerator is more than the denominator, so we can convert it into mixed fraction. So 64 divided by 3, that is equal to 21 1 by 3. Next one, part 3 of the same question. 5 1 by 2 is to 16 1 by 2. So again we'll assume that let the third proportional be A. So then let us convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 5 1 by 2 can be written as 11 by 2. 16 1 by 2 can be written as 33 by 2. So we'll write 11 by 2 is to 33 by 2. Proportionate sign, 33 by 2 is to A. Now, product of the extremes is equals to 11 by 2 into A. Product of the means is equals to 33 by 2 into 33 by 2. We know that product of the extremes equals to product of the means. So 11 by 2 into A equals to 33 by 2 into 33 by 2. Therefore, A equals to, so 33 by 2 into 33 by 2. This 2 in the denominator will come this side and get multiplied, so into 2. And the 11 in the numerator will come this side and it will come in the denominator. So we're written into 2 by 11. Or we can also take it like this. Like this is multiplied with A. So whenever it will come to the right hand side, it will get divided. So 33 by 2 divided 11 by 2. So it will get, in the next step, we will put a multiplication sign and the number will get reciprocal. So on solving this, we'll get the answer as 99 by 2, that is equal to 49 1 by 2. Question number 6. Find the mean proportional between. So to find the mean proportional, we have to find the square root. Okay, the square root of the given numbers. So first part of this question, that is 8 and 18. So mean proportional between 8 and 18 is equals to root over of 8 into 18. So let us factorize 8. So 2 into 2 into 2. 18, 2 into 3 into 3. Now for every number which is repeated twice, we'll take 1 outside. Like 2 here, for 2 2's, we'll take 1 2 outside. Again for 2 2's, we'll take 1 2 outside. And for 2 3's, we'll take 1 3 outside. So 2 2's are 4, 4 3's are 12. So the root over of 8 into 18 is 12. Part 3 of the same question, that is 66 2 by 3 and 6. So the mean proportional between converting 66 2 by 3 into improper fraction will get 200 by 3 into 6. So root over of 200 by 3 into 6. So 3 1's are 3, 3 2's are 6. So we have to find the root over of 400, which you can write directly as 20, or we can factorize the number once again, that is 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 2. So for every 2 2's, we will take 1 2 outside. For again this, there are 2 2's, 1 2 will come outside. And for 2 5, 1 5 will come outside. So 2 2's are 4, 4 5's are 20 is the answer. Question number 6, part 4, 1.25 and 0.45. So the mean proportional of 1.25 and 0.45 is equal to root over of 1.25 into 0.45. Now let us remove the decimal and write it in fraction form, so it will be easier for us. So in the next step, we have written 125 by 100 into 45 by 100. Now factorizing 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. And factorizing 45 is 5 into 3 into 3, that is 9 5's are 45. So 3 into 3 into 5 divided by 100 into 100. So taking the amount out of the roots, so we have, in total we have 4 5's. So we'll take 2 5 outside and 1 3 outside. So 5 into 5 into 3, and there were 200 in the denominator, so 100 will come outside. So 5 into 5, 25, 25 3's are 75. So 75 by 100. Now converting this into decimal, we can write it as 0.75. So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching.